Hey, thank you for tuning in again into the Swift Reference app. And today we're going to be talking about the less than or equal to operator. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. We already discussed some of these in the comparison operators, and also is kind of similar, of course, to the less than operator. But we're going to spend a little time on the difference between the less than operator and the less than or equal to operator. So, as always, an operator is pretty much comparing the value on the left against the value on the right. And if this generates a true statement, then the outcome is going to be some sort of like a Boolean output as a true or false. Okay, and to demonstrate this concept, let's just dive right into the code demonstration that we have in the app. Um, let's just first declare to constant a equals 1, b equals 2, and let's also declare 3 variables. C equals 0, and these are just placeholders because we are attempting to modify them later on in the software. Okay, so to try out these less than or equal to operators, let's just do an if and say that A is less or equal than B. And if this statement is true, then we're going to change C to 100. Yep, in this case, it was true since A was 1 and is less than on B, that is 2. That means that this if is true, so it will activate and change C into 100. There you go. So another way to try it out, let's just say that if B is less or equal than 2, so if this is a true statement, we're gonna modify D, or we're gonna assign 200 into the D variable. And in this case, yes, since B was smaller or equal than 2, in this case was equal than 2, then this statement is a true statement and it will modify the variable D. Now, let's just throw another example to drive the point home and say that if B is less than or equal to, forgot to put the equal, or equal to A, then E is gonna be 10. In this case, since B is greater than A and not smaller or equal, less or equal than A, E was not able to be modified. Therefore, E remains as 0, similar to the same value that we assign up here. Okay. So again, just to recap, the less than or equal to operator, it will modify if the value on the left is less or equal than the value on the right, and it will pretty much generate some sort of like Boolean response. So if it's true, then it activates, in this case, activates this if statement, changing C. In these other cases, it was equal, activated this if statement, and we modified D to 200. But since B was greater than A, it was not able to be modified. All right. So thank you very much for downloading the app. Those of you that have downloaded, it's called S Reference. If you're on YouTube, please give a like into this video if you like it. And also, if this is the first time that you're watching this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Okay. Any questions? Feel free to leave a comment, and I will see you next time, okay? Have a good one. Bye-bye.